Amendment Bill 2026 be now taken into consideration clause by clause.
Motion move is that the Khasi Hills Autonomous Judiciary Amendment Bill 2026. Yam in charge, please move for the consideration of the amendment bill clause by clause. Ingin poin saka bapra berkata kalau consideration of the Khasi Hills rules clause by clause.
Kata service rule ke bam dan AA nang betagi nang tre.
Subha move clause by clause.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I beg to move that clause 2 of the rule do not stand part of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. Service Rule 2026.
Move Subha. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Service Rule 2026 be now passed. Kayang kamanjur? So the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Service Rule 2026